I'm Dr. Deuk Laser. I'm here with a patient of mine from Missouri. Now, he had back pain for, 4 years, was it?
4 years.
Since your accident?
Yes, sir.
And tell us what life was like with the back pain you had from your accident for those 4 years.
Very debilitating. Basically lost my initial career, military member, and I've been fighting to be able to stay in the military through med boards and stuff and try to get back to a point where I can continue to serve and provide for my family. And it's just been a lot of downhill, but I've just been trying to maintain until I found Dr. Deuk.
Tell me about the back. How bad was it?
It got up in the 8 to 9s initially. It's been a consistent 5 or 6 in that lower back region. Trouble standing, sitting for long periods. There was just no winning.
How did the back pain affect your quality of life and your work?
Terrible. Like I said, I've had to change careers a few times in the last 4 years to try to find something where I could actually work. And it's been very, very tough.
All of this came about because of a motor vehicle accident, is that correct?
Correct, yes.
And tell me about the treatment of your back pain before you came to Deuk Spine Institute. What did you try and how effective was it?
When going through like a workman's comp scenario, all they want to do is medicate, they want to do injections, they want just pain pills, and then their ultimate was go get a spinal fusion, which I declined. I've been going to chiropractor, started out 3 times a week for about 2.5 years. Then I was going about twice a week. It was cost prohibitive, and insurance and things don't cover any of that. So you're just trying to maintain without taking, narcotics and stuff like that.
And narcotics aren't good for you, right?
No.
Narcotics are addicting, they're dangerous because they stop breathing and people die from narcotic overdose. So it's better to get your problem fixed.
Correct.
Why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute to fix your back pain?
My mom, back in Maryland, one of her neighbors came and saw you, and they recommended you. And so my mom started researching. She started sending me all the videos online, and this was the obvious choice versus the spinal fusions and other more invasive options.
You had the laser spine surgery procedure we perform here at Deuk Spine Institute, our proprietary Deuk Laser Disc Repair. Well, we've been performing it now for 20 years, and we've treated over 2,787 patients. So with all those surgeries we've done, we've never had a single complication. We believe Deuk Laser Disc Repair, the procedure you had, is the most advanced laser spine surgery treatment in the world for herniated discs. What do you think about that?
Night and day difference when I walked in yesterday to when I left. Immediate 0 back pain in that area. Nothing overnight, nothing today. I want to walk, I want to stand up, which normally 2 or 3 minutes standing at the counter signing in was painful. Nothing.
When I came in and saw him in the exam room this morning, he was standing. I said, "You want to sit down?" He said, "No. I've missed standing for so long. I just want to enjoy the standing without the pain."
Yep.
What are your plans now with your lower back that it's fixed? What are you going to do different in life?
Going to be able to stay in the military. I'm going to be able to continue the career that I fought so hard to get to and keep, and be able to pick up my kids and just be able to enjoy life, which I wasn't prior for the last few years.
Anything you want to say to your friends and family out there?
I really just want to say thanks to my mom for finding Dr. Deuk and for pushing me to do this and for supporting me through this process.
Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thanks, Doc.
All right.